Hey guys, so just a quick video on downloading music off the internet onto a USB drive and then onto our Vhedia T-Series unit so you can have local downloaded music on the device. Now, I'm just going to use the Nirvana Nevermind album for this example, but you can use pretty much anything you want. Just be careful downloading stuff online that you're getting it from a safe and reliable website, but you'll essentially just want to look up the name of the music you're looking for and then MP3 download. I find this website called Internet Archive to be quite good. Haven't had any issues, so I'll open that up, and as you can see, that's the whole album there, and then I'll just scroll down to download options. Now I've just gone 18 original, and I'll click that, and it started the download. I've already done this, so as you can see, it's just there. It's a zip file on Nirvana Nevermind. Now if I open my files, you can see it's here in downloads. So if I double click that again, there's all the songs. Now these are what you want to transfer over to your USB drive. So you can see I've got one plugged in there, and it's a USB drive D. So I'll just highlight every single one of these, and I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it again. But you'll essentially grab them, drag them, and drop them into the USB drive, like so. And then once that's all transferred across, it'll look like this. And I'll typically make sure there's nothing else in the USB. I don't think it should affect it, but just to be safe. And then you can go ahead and right click on the USB and hit eject. And then it's safe to pull out. Now, bringing it over to the head unit itself, just swap hands. This is our music app. So I'll just show that again. It's this one on the home screen. This is how you play any local music from a file. So as you can see, there's nothing on there yet. If I open the file section of it, it's completely empty. There's no song list there. If I open the folder, nothing. So once I plug this USB in, you'll probably have your USB leads tucked somewhere. I've just got it out the side here. If I plug in the music USB right now, and then I go back to this file section, you can see it's all popped up there. So this is the unit immediately reading that I've plugged in a device. There's storage on it that has an MP3 file, which is compatible to play as music. So if I open this again, and I go to the folder section, you'll see it's currently located at USB storage. So the way I can change this is by going to home, scrolling down, and eSuper file. This is our files app. This is where you manage everything on the unit. So you'll see there's internal storage and this general USB drive. This will only show up when you've got a USB drive plugged in. But there's all of our music. Now, we want to move this so that it's on the device permanently, because currently if I unplug this USB, we're not going to be able to play any of that music. So you're going to want to hold down on it, and then it should give you the option to tap every single one of them. So every song there, I can hit more, move to, and then if I scroll down a bit here, you should see music. I'll tap that, and then you can see it's currently empty, and then I hit OK. And then it should just take a second, not too long, and there you go. There's 12 songs moved onto the device. So you can double check it, you can go back out, open music, there it all is. So now we're okay to unplug our USB drive, because all of the music is on the device. As you can see, it's gone. And then we can open our music app again, and it's going to say it's unknown, but we can just open this folder here, hit this scan files, and then it's going to find it again. If you go to folders here, you'll see that it's now located in music. So there you go, using the music app. I mean, if you're out here on the main screen and you want to look at your songs, then this is the button to do it. And your main list is going to be, this is the queue here, but your main list is going to be here. So you can favorite songs you prefer. So if I favorited every second song, as you can see, if I open the favorites list, that's what they're going to be. So if you only wanted to play every second song for some reason, you start from the top here. Now when I skip through, it's going to play every second song. But then, yeah, if I go to the main list and play that from the top and go back out, now it's going to play every song from the top. So there you go. That's just a bit of an overview on using downloaded music on our units. Please feel free to call our team or email or live chat on our website if you have any issues with this, and we'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.